Okay, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. I said those backwards. Anyway, you guys get the point. So I'm bringing you another adventure where I'm probably gonna get lost. It's bad enough I gotta pee. I'm heading up towards, I think, like the Point Reyes area, and I'm gonna backtrack down towards Stinson Beach. Hopefully catch some good footage for you guys. I do foresee there being a lot of cars out today, a lot of bicycles out today. I do gotta go up this road right here. But nonetheless, let's get right into it. I skipped the whole highway shit because, well, that was boring and it's super windy on the highway. But I still gave you a gas station installment. You know I couldn't leave you guys hanging with no gas station. Oh, almost went over this sidewalk. Nice area. This kind of reminds me of back home because it's so green, the way the houses are. Okay, so I really don't know my way around here again, so if I take it a little bit easier, don't make fun of me. Oh, nice little GT40 or GT. The only downside to having a ride on the weekends is you get a lot of other people that during the week they're at work too, so you're stuck behind a lot of times cars that, I don't know, venturing off and sightseeing just like I'm doing. Whatever, you guys get the point. Even when I'm trying to do like an adventure, you know, it's difficult. Like I said, I don't know these roads, so just enjoy the slower pace. Plus the fact, so much grooves and bumps and... Like, even after they repaved this road, it's still bumpy. Makes it very difficult because your bike is hopping around and then you get like shit like that. There's like a rock sticking up through the fucking tarmac. That is why I take it easy on roads. One thing I will say, if you guys are riding and you're drawing turns kind of like these, one, ride within your means. You know, you're not out to impress anyone on the street. And two, learn trail braking. I noticed looking through my old videos, I'm like, wow, California looks depressing. So I figured, you know what, from now on, I think I'm going to look for little trail rides like this. And up this way, there is a shit ton of them. But the problem is, when you get these, and someone like me who can only really generally ride on a weekends, I'm sorry, you get all the people out. I'm not saying that people should stay in, but it makes it difficult to kind of ride, and it sucks because I'm stuck behind cars all the time. You know, I'd like you guys to see like just the road in front of me. Always ruins my fucking plans. I think I'm gonna pull over and just let these people go because we are doing almost 20. My bike isn't 100% accurate on speed. Tell you one thing, I'm so glad my camera's working because this is f***ing gorgeous over here. Sorry, I had my visor open. Ooh, damn, she went over the side. Alright, we're gonna let them go a little bit ahead because this is ridiculous. I'm not gonna do this all the way up my path. Promise I'm gonna try to get some stuff for you guys. not cars, it's a stop sign, I guess. Oh my god, this video is gonna suck. And I know before anyone says it, why don't you just go around them? Like I said before, I don't like to just go around people because I've gotten caught like that where I came around someone and there was another car on the other side. Going, I'm not gonna go. And I still get stuck behind people, man. Watch out for bicycles now. I mean, it looked like he packed up a tent on the back of his. I think next time I'm riding a bicycle. God, this is gonna be such a boring ass video because I can't do anything fun ever. California is a no fun zone, people. No fun zone. This is depressing, man. Oh, now I'm starting to get annoyed. Like 23 miles an hour, like struggling. My bike is literally struggling. When you can make these turns with one hand, that's when you know you're going slow. Do you guys prefer mountains or do you prefer like a coastline, like beach? I mean, the joys of California, even though I complain about it all the time, you kind of have both. Oh. Watch downhill speed. Crazy, there's never anyone behind me. They're always in front of me. Why? Why is that? Oh god, a cop. I'll just act like I'm going left. Hey, how's it going? Do you guys have a bathroom I can use? There's some. It's over there? Okay. Oh man. Alright, we gonna shut this camera down, bro. Where's that? Is that here?
12 seconds later.
See if that cop is still here. Yeah, he's sitting right over there. Ain't no thing. Couldn't tell you where I am. All I know is everything says Sir Francis Drake on it. I don't know if I'm supposed to go on that road or not. I probably was. I think that was the road I was supposed to make a left at. Thank God I didn't make a left at that road I thought I was supposed to. I would have been going the wrong way. Don't really have time. That just, this person just looks miserable. Like, what makes you wake up in the morning and decide, hey, I'm gonna go ride up a mountain today? I don't know if, oh, you can see San Francisco from here? Say what? No, San Francisco looks like it's floating. That is so creepy. I wish the camera could pick it up. So I'm actually probably just gonna head home. Again, I apologize if this video has been quite boring. Definitely gonna be riding tomorrow as well. It's still very, very nice out here. Mid to high 70s. So again, I apologize to all you people suffering from cold weather, snow, and I wish you guys could be here with me riding. Well, I think this is where we're gonna go ahead and end today's video. So I do apologize about, you know, not being able to really kind of run through the turns and twisties, I guess, if you want to call them that. California is just so overly populated. It doesn't matter when you go, where you go. I mean, it's the weekend. There's going to be so much cars out, and I apologize. It's the only times I can really venture off. But if you guys would like me to check out any other places, I know someone mentioned Grizzly Peak on from my last video. I saw a comment. Please don't hesitate to tell me. I would love to just get out and explore. I'm usually by myself anyway, so I have all the time in the world. But with that, you guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit that notification bell so you guys do get notified if I upload a new video. Maybe, I don't know, with all these policy changes. And as always, I need y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Always remember, nothing good comes easy in life. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Later. Noobed it just now.